Around two-thirds of people have felt deja vu at least once. That eerie sense that you've lived this exact moment before. And your brain does it on purpose, sort of. Let's unpack one of the weirdest tricks your mind plays. Deja vu peaks in your teens and 20s, then fades. The younger you are, the more often you feel it. By your 60s, it almost disappears completely. That alone tells scientists it's tied to a healthy, active brain. It's not a sign something's wrong. It's often a sign things are working right. Here's the twist. Deja vu may be your brain checking its own memory. One leading theory calls it a mental fact check. Your memory system spots a false alarm of familiarity. Then it flags it, saying, wait, that's not actually real. So that strange feeling is your brain catching itself. It's quality control happening in real time. The word déjà vu literally means already seen. A French researcher coined it back in 1876. But people have described the feeling for thousands of years. St. Augustine wrote about it. So did Charles Dickens. You're part of a very old human club. Travelers report deja vu more than homebodies. The more new places you see, the more it strikes. New environments give your brain fresh scenes to misfile. A hotel hallway feels like one from years ago. A foreign street suddenly feels deeply familiar. Your brain is matching shapes and layouts, not actual memories. There's a rare flip side called jamais vu. That's when something familiar suddenly feels brand new. Try saying a common word out loud 30 times. Eventually it stops sounding like a real word. That's jamais vu in action, the opposite of déjà vu. Both prove how fragile your sense of familiarity is. People with temporal lobe epilepsy feel déjà vu intensely. Some get it right before a seizure begins. This gave scientists a huge clue. The feeling lives in your temporal lobes. That's the same region that stores your memories. Stimulate it with a tiny electric current, and déjà vu appears. Researchers have triggered it on demand in labs. Here's something you can almost feel. Déjà vu may come from a split-second timing error. Your brain processes the same scene through two pathways. Usually they arrive together perfectly in sync. But sometimes one signal lags by milliseconds. So the moment feels like a memory and the present at once. That overlap creates the haunting double exposure. Stress and tiredness make déjà vu more likely. When you're exhausted, your brain takes shortcuts. Memory signals get noisier and timing slips. So a sleepless week can boost the feeling. It's another reason your brain loves real rest. Fatigue genuinely changes how you perceive reality. Déjà vu often comes with a strong urge to predict. You feel certain you know what happens next. But studies show you almost never actually do. Researchers tested this in virtual reality worlds. People felt the prediction, then guessed wrong anyway. The certainty is real. The accuracy is an illusion. Your brain processes familiarity and recollection separately. Familiarity says, I know this. Recollection says, here's exactly why. In déjà vu, familiarity fires without recollection. You get the feeling with no backstory attached. That mismatch is the entire experience in a nutshell. Some people almost never feel déjà vu at all, and that's completely normal too. It doesn't mean your memory is worse. It just means your brain's fact-checking runs quietly. Everyone's wiring handles familiarity a little differently. Here's a comforting thought to end on. For most people, déjà vu is a sign of a sharp mind. It shows your memory system is actively monitoring itself. It's catching small errors before they fool you. That fleeting strange moment is your brain doing its job. So the next time it hits you, smile a little. You just felt your own mind double-checking reality. A tiny, invisible system keeping your memories honest. Pretty incredible for something that lasts only seconds. If you enjoyed exploring your amazing brain, subscribe to BetterNight for more.